Hi, I'm Teresa Blagg. I'm one of the owners of the Griffin House, an 8-room guest house in Kenmore Square in Boston. It's a high-quality place, and I depend on the best cleaners to come here to work with me. Marley Silva and her associate Leah, and we've been in business for 16 years. We're very top ranked on TripAdvisor, and one of the things, if you go to our website and look at our ratings on TripAdvisor, is that people will always say how clean and beautiful the place is, and we thank Marley and Leah for that. Boston Quality Cleaning is a company that I've done business with for a couple of years. I appreciate the attention to detail. I appreciate that I never have to worry that someone's going to come, because they always do. Even in the snowiest weather, we've never had a problem. And the ladies who come here with Leah are always, she's beautiful, kind, very thorough in her cleaning. And Marley makes sure to hire the best people to come and stay with us. And it makes a difference in our clientele, because the people who come here and see that the place is beautiful, it sets a tone for how things go. And we really rely on having that type of business here. So we're very thankful to Marley Silva at Boston Quality Cleaning and to Leah for keeping the place so spotless and beautiful that people are always happy to come here.
Okay, thank you so much. Teresa.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, Teresa.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.